So hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome to the channel Dutch Chef Builds. My name is Jerome. This is a single take update and I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm up to right now. It's been a crazy 2 weeks with the bike. I've been working a lot, so I've not been able to do much to it, but obviously 2 weeks ago I had the incident where the engine fell from my workbench, so I've been fixing that. You can see the engine behind me, in front of me. As you can see, it's looking really good. I got the cam chain in. I did some painting again to repair the damage that was done, and it's looking a lot better. So I'm happy with that. Today I'm still waiting on the one of the shims to come in. I've measured them all, they were all fine except for one, and that should come in today, so hopefully I can do that today. I have to fabricate a tool to take it out. But that is, and as soon as I got that, I can close the engine and I can put it in the bike. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now the other thing that I've got going is this. Let me show you. I have got a different regulator rectifier. This is from Rick's Electrics, and I got it at Caferacer's United, and they helped me out with a small discount because it was too late, and they gave it me anyway, so that was really cool. They didn't have to do that, but they did, so thank you very much for that. This is the old one, which has no use anymore, but as you can see, the difference in size is pretty big. So I think I'm going to make a small bracket to use the holes I already got, so I don't have to do any new holes in the tray. And also because this bit will be sticking out at the bottom, as you can see, it will stick out underneath. So I'm just going to make a plate that will protect this a bit more, and it will help me use the old holes that I've already got. At least that's the plan. So if it's not going to work, I can always drill some new holes. Should be fine as well, I don't know. But as for the tray, I am waiting on a starter solenoid, different one from this, so one with a fuse, but that is taking a lot longer to get here. They said 2 to 4 days, but I think it's going to be a lot longer than that. I also made these spacers over here. I haven't painted them yet, but the rear shocks are now finally in. They were loose all the time. Had to get a bolt that would fit on the bracket that I had made, that I welded in. It was a different thread, so we got that. The license plate is painted, and I mounted it so I can do some wiring. So this light will work, and start feeding those wires to the box. Now the front I haven't done anything to. I am still thinking what I'm going to do with the headlight. Well, it's going to be replaced, but I'm not sure with what. And that is it really. Now still a lot to do. Still want to change the throttle. I think I was hoping to ride it on the 23rd of May. That's the date that the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride is this year in 2021. I don't think I'm going to make it. I do have time to fix it, but everything will cost money, and I still have to do the carbs. That's going to take some time, ordering stuff, and it's going to cost me quite a bit of money, and while I'm running out, it's been pretty expensive so far. So but yeah, that's how far I am right now. Things are looking up, so the engine is going to be cool. I hope if I can get the electrics going, I may be able to fire it up for the first time and see if it runs. So I'm pretty excited about that. But that's it. So engine I hope to do that today, and then working on the tray, putting in the regulator rectifier on the different place. Got the tank still to repair, but I'll leave that last piece to do. The tank itself is fine, so I don't have to do that. Yeah, and probably do an extra shift to get some more money. All right, so that's it for the single take update. I'm gonna get cracking on my on the things I have to do. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. You can always follow me on Instagram. That is my Dutch Chef Builds Instagram. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Anyway, I'll put that in below the link. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.